I had a question after the last video I posted about fixing a water heater. So that one had a bad element, and I talked about starting at the middle to figure out which way to go. Which way to go means how you trace the power. I start in the middle, that way if there's not power coming to it, I back up and find a power source. If I have power going to it down the element, then I'll check the element. Usually it's a switch down here at the bottom, or it could be the thermostat, or something else back in the RV power related. I change more switches and thermostats than I do heating elements. It's not normally the heating element, but sometimes it can be. The Suburban water heater was heating on gas, but not electric. And we had power to it. We verified power through the switch, through the thermostat, down to the element, and trace it down to a bad heating element. And here's how you test an element to see if it's bad. So we set the meter to continuity, and we put it to the both screw terminals here. Make sure that's tight. And it says OL. So OL means there's an open circuit inside of this heating element, which is bad. We replaced it, and now they're good to go.